Some breaking news tonight. Columbus police have identified the woman and two children found dead on the 3300 block of Broadmoor Avenue today. Officers were called for a well-being check after neighbors reported not seeing the family. A whistleblower who helped NBC4 Investigates uncover the hundreds of thousands of people affected by the city's data breach is now being silenced by the city.
Today, a Franklin County judge approved a temporary restraining order that stops cybersecurity expert Connor Goodwolf's work. Goodwolf helped NBC4 Investigates uncover the extent of this breach after the mayor said the data was not valuable and it was encrypted.
Our NBC4 Investigates Isabel Cleary was the first to break the story that thousands of people's personal information was compromised because of this leak. She shows us what the city is claiming now.
The city attorney says this isn't about free speech. He says it is about stopping Connor Goodwolf from accessing, downloading, and disseminating the city's stolen data. That data was stolen by a ransomware group, leaked on the dark web, and now can be downloaded by anyone who knows how to navigate the dark web. It is accessible because it was not properly encrypted by the city. Our experts say getting on the dark web or Tor can be as easy as downloading an app. Now, a temporary restraining order prohibits Connor Goodwolf from accessing the stolen city data.
This effect is to get him to stop downloading and disclosing stolen criminal records to protect public safety.
This comes after Goodwolf and NBC4 Investigates revealed that a database Columbus police uses was accessed in the ransomware attack by the group Reseda. In that database, graphic incident records of violent crimes and undercover cases from the city's controversial vice unit that was disbanded in 2019. Also, social security numbers, addresses, and phone numbers of victims. It's information I took to Columbus Police Chief Elaine Bryant on Wednesday when she said she was hearing it for the first time from me.
I just found out moments ago that this information is out there. Obviously, it's very disturbing to myself and all the members of the division. So we're going to continue to advocate and work on behalf of my members and work with the city attorney and work with the mayor to address these concerns and issues.
Downloading data off the dark web is not illegal unless you pay for it or use it for any illegal actions such as blackmail. This complaint accuses Goodwolf of creating serious public inconvenience and alarm.
If there is information that needs to be brought forward, that there's a way to disclose that information to law enforcement and not going directly to the media. And this is why we had to file the TRO.
Goodwolf provided NBC4 with screenshots showing he did reach out to the city multiple times, including to multiple members of the city attorney's office. Thursday, Klein held a press conference to answer questions about why the city filed the request to stop Goodwolf's work.
If we hadn't done this, if Connor hadn't uncovered this, how long would it have been for undercover officers, informants, and thousands of victims to find out their information was in danger?
The city has recognized that there has been a sophisticated intrusion into our data system. We have acknowledged that information has been exposed, which is why we have said anyone who has touched the city in any way, you should download the experience.
In July, the city said they thwarted the attack. In the request for the restraining order, the city admits on July 18th it became aware it was a victim of what it called a massive cyber attack. The city is also suing Goodwolf for more than $25,000, accusing him of criminal acts, negligence, and invasion of privacy against the city, its employees, and citizens. Isabel Cleary, NBC4 Investigates.
That temporary restraining order was issued late today by Franklin County Judge Andrea Noble. Judge Noble has been on the bench less than 2 years and prior to becoming a judge worked as an assistant city prosecutor reporting to Zach Klein. She worked in the city attorney's office for 11.5 years. The TRO and the accompanying lawsuit against Connor Goodwolf are under scrutiny in the local legal community. I spoke today with attorneys who work in cybersecurity, ethics, and free speech who questioned the city taking legal action against a cybersecurity expert who says he was trying to do a public service. Attorney Kirsten Fraser has been following our reports with Goodwolf and studied the complaint filed today by the city.
It appeared that the city was trying to shift blame for the fact that this data is out there and available from its own failures to properly secure that information to an expert who is reviewing what is there for the purposes of informing the public and reporting on a story and information that is highly relevant, highly important, and necessary.
Fraser says she fears the lawsuit will have a chilling effect on reporting and investigations of data breaches that put the public at risk.
If you were affected by the cyber attack on the city, you have 90 days left to apply for credit monitoring paid by the city. This is even open to minors affected by the data leak. The service is through Experian and provides up to 2 years of monitoring at no cost to you. For more information on our in-depth reporting on the city hack, along with how you can sign up for that free credit monitoring if you've been affected, like 10,000 other people have already done, just scan the QR code on your screen.